Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose. This is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do first move kicks, plural, also sometimes referred to as jig kicks. Knowing how to do a first move, really useful. Knowing how to lead kicks, also really useful. I'll put a link to the first move and a link to a clip about teaching you how to lead kicks. So if you need to go back and look at them or just want to kind of recap things, it's easy for you to find and nice and quick. So the move looks like this, and you can do it with or without rotation. We'll do it without rotation to start with, and then we'll show you with rotation later. So it goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, when we're doing our kicks, we're not doing anything massive. We're literally little kick, shoe leather to the floor, little kick. So it's worth practicing those and just going kick, 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 kick until it feels comfortable, because you're just switching and kicking and switching and kicking. Okay, so now let's put it into the move. So it goes standard first move start, we go back, we come in, we twist out. It's a good idea for the guy to weight the back foot so you're symmetrical with the lady. We're also going to try and collect the full width of the lady's back with the right hand. We're going to angle in, the left hand is going to come up. We're going to try and put the lady so she's kicking, because kicks will go forwards. If we angle the lady properly, she'll be kicking between our legs, and it's very small because it's only a gentle lift. Guys are going to go on the outside, so we get kick, and then we put it down. Then we kick the other side. So again, we shouldn't be kicking each other because we're going through the middle. Put it down, twist out. We're going to repeat it, so we get kick, kick, twist out. So the body offset is the important bit to make sure you're not kicking each other. And of course, having the confidence to kick forwards, because for the ladies, if you try and avoid the guy and he's angled you correctly, by trying to avoid him, that's when you actually kick him. Okay, let's just finish the first move off. In, under and face, return and back. From the other side to give you the other view, and we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, in 2, twist 3, kick 4, 5, twist 6, kick 7, 8, twist 1, in 2, turning 3, facing 4, returning 5 and back 6. Let's try that together and then we'll talk about some options. Here we go. 5, 6, first move, kicks, you go, a back, in, twist, kick, kick, twist, kick, kick, twist, in, under and face, return and back. Now we did 2 kicks and twist out, 2 kicks and twist out, and we did it with no rotation. Okay, we could have done exactly the same thing, and on the kicks turned right. So we'd have ended up doing a pattern a lot like a first move basic. Looks like this, goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what we did is we caused 90-degree rotation every time we did a kick. So after one set, we were at the other end. After the second set, we were back where we began. Again, nothing too tricky. And the other thing that often you'll see people do is they'll do more kicks before the twist out. So if they did 4 or 6, depending upon how fast they're turning, they might do a full 360 and just do 1 twist out at the end. So that would look like this. Go 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, twist, in, under and face, return and back. And equally you could have done the 4 kicks with no twist out in the middle of them without the rotation. So that gives you all your choices, and you can decide what you want to do depending upon whether it feels nice or whether it fits the music you're dancing to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Music recommendation on the end. We'll pick a song which is nice to do this to, so it's going to have a little bit of bounce to it because you want a little bit of bounce for this. And we'll see you next time. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.